Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova 10. First of all, you need to access Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere on both devices. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on HUAWEI. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and tap on Receive on HUAWEI. Now click on all of those type of dots, and when you're ready, hit Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send, and click on Got it. Now on HUAWEI, tap on one of those options, Yes I agree or No thanks, and select Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon over here, choosing Allow only while in use or Allow this time only, and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also go back, input this key over here instead, and tap on the Receive button. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!